Hi, I'm Stefan Goen, and the owner of Bay Jiu-Jitsu and Bay Combat Sports, and this is going to be day 34 of the Shelter in Place, and it's going to be a 5-minute workout, and I have the timer set for just 5 straight minutes, and we're going to do 4 exercises, 3 pull-ups, 3 dips, and 3 pistol squats on each leg. Okay, and I'm going to be using since I don't have my pistol squats by myself, I'm going to be using 2 helpers. I'm going to be using the rings, and my heel's going to be raised on the mat right here to kind of give me the extra boost. And again, I'm trying to kind of get my pistol squats back again. I'll be alternating my hands from overhook to, over pull-ups to curl-ups, and I'll do my best on the dips. All right, so here we go. 5 minutes. Three pull-ups. Curl-ups. But thank you very much. See you tomorrow for day 35. All right.